Boys, trade recap for today. Today's election day, so no trade for me. I had two paper trades today. One was on ES, one was also on NQ. But what I wanted to show you guys real quick, we are currently looking at Trump winning at 210. We still have a few more states we got to finish up with, but looking so far pretty good. For Trump, obviously we got all these Midwestern states where you're winning in Pennsylvania, which is amazing. Um, all these states over here, we're looking really red, which is amazing. I'm super happy to see this. Trump actually wins. We're about to make some fucking bread, bro. Um, Also on Robinhood, you're able to bet for this election. That's what I did. So hopefully you can make some good money on that. Either way, two trades for today. One was on NQ, one was on SPY. I should say ES, my bad. But what we're looking at today is sweep of internal resting liquidity before market open. As you can see, we swept all of this internal resting liquidity right here. And then over here, we have a 15-minute order block, I should say. So we filled that, which is great. So already two confluences, that order block, and then this resting liquidity that we swept. Right off of market open, we see that we had a huge up move to the upside. This created a 5-minute fair value gap. You want to see a retracement back into that 5 minute. So that's another confluence. And then we could also see from the bottom of this candle right here all the way to the top, this is a equilibrium spot. So let's just get rid of this so it's easier to see. But the data, the dashed line right here is the 50% mark. So that is the equilibrium, so which is great. So took it at the very bottom of this wick, perfect entry, rejection right off of it, impulsive move to the upside, smacked previous day's high all the way back there, which was from November 1st. Perfect trade. Literally, I don't even know how long this was. Let's see. Fucking 12-minute trade. Beautiful 12-minute trade. This is a 2 to 1, or I should say 1 to 2 risk to reward. Beautiful trade. And then I'll show you guys on ES as well the trade I took. And I also did want to show you guys this. This is fucking crazy, bro. This is when the poll started coming out, and look at this upside move. So I think it was 6 p.m. New York time when the poll started moving. Holy shit! Look at this upside move. Should have just full ported, honestly, bro. This was wild. Like this is that's a 1% move right there. That's crazy. Either way, I'm gonna go over this real quick. We had equal highs over here. This was on ES, by the way. Actually, this is not equal highs. My bad. Order block right here. Finally on the 5 minute, I believe. I can't remember exactly because I took this. Holy fuck! Where is this? Okay, I'm just gonna do this so it's easier for me. Okay, no order block. My bad. It's been a while since I took this. This was actually noon, and it's already fucking 10 p.m. Either way, no excuses. 5 minute fair value gap to the downside, a retracement back into that 5 minute, and then boom, straight to the downside. I targeted this resting internal liquidity, smacked it perfectly. Super happy with these paper trades. I feel like honestly, when I paper trade, the market goes in my favor perfectly. But it's okay. I'm not mad about it. I don't like how this camera is super laggy. Like, fuck is this? But probably gonna get a webcam. I thought this computer would have been good with the camera. This is a fucking super expensive laptop, but I assumed wrong. But either way, trade recap for today. I may or may not be trading tomorrow, depending on what the market conditions are. It's only the day after the election, so we never know what we're gonna see. Obviously, huge upside move. So if we look at QQQ, we're gonna see a huge gap to the upside, potentially a retracement back into that gap, and then another rejection off of that. But we'll see. I don't really know what to expect tomorrow. Yeah, I feel like once we open during pre-market, we're gonna open up all the way up here, a retracement back. We're gonna come up a little bit, retracement back into it, and then boom, straight to the upside. So we'll see. Obviously, I'm not expecting much. I honestly potentially might not trade, depending on market conditions, but we'll see. If I do trade, it's either going to be paper or it's going to be low risk. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Right now, we're looking pretty strong for the Trump team. If you trade and you voted Kamala, you're fucking stupid, bro. I hope if she wins, I hope you really enjoy that 35% capital gains tax. But I'm hoping we don't have to look into that. All right, guys. See you soon.